ClickFunnels versus Shopify. Which one should you choose? Hi guys, in this video, I'm going to be quickly explain to you the differences between Shopify and ClickFunnels. So let's get into it. Now, first up, Shopify. Now, Shopify is an online e-commerce store that allows you to sell physical products online. So that is the main difference. It's one of the easiest ways to start a business and start earning money online. You just simply have to come over here onto their website, sign up, and just enter in your details, and you are good to go, and you are quickly able to start your own business online. Whereas in ClickFunnels is mostly used for an online website or a funnel website or a landing page where you can sell digital product like courses. So ClickFunnels is mainly used for that, or affiliate marketing, basically used for funneling, as the name suggests. So the main difference between them is that one is an e-commerce store, whereas one is an e-commerce store and the other is a digital product store. Right now, you can go ahead and create a e-commerce store on ClickFunnels 2.0. You can create a website and start creating products, but the whole process is very difficult and confusing. So, that is why I suggest it depends on you. If you want a website where you want to sell e-commerce platform, where you want to sell clothes, right? You want to sell shoes, hoodies, whatever, then Shopify is your go-to. But if you want to create courses, let's say, then I would suggest going with ClickFunnels because that is its main strong point. So these are one of the main differences between them. And I just wanted to tell you guys. So remember, if you want to create a e-commerce store, then you should go with Shopify. But if you want to sell, let's say, courses and digital products, then ClickFunnels is your go-to. So thank you guys for watching, and until next time, take care and goodbye.